Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. You know what time it is. It's time for What's Cooking with the Bear, the best cooking show on YouTube, if I don't say so myself. And I do, so it must be true. Anyways, today we're sticking with the carb-free, keto-friendly diet. We're going to do some creamed spinach with bacon and some grilled pork chops, or pork steaks. Not chops, they're steaks. They're big suckers. So, anyways, sounds good to you? Hang out, relax, let me do the cooking, and we'll have a good time. Alright y'all, see we got our pork steaks on. You guys seen me grill pork steaks before, so I'm just going to season them up here. We're using this stuff here because it has 0 calories, 0 carbs, just a lot of flavor. So I'm going to do that. We're going to grill these up and then we'll get in there and get to cooking our creamy spinach to go with it. So just want to show you guys that, I am still grilling. Alrighty y'all, our pork chops are done. So we're going to get to cooking our creamy spinach. We've got a pan here, we're going to put it on medium heat. We've got some cut up bacon here. And make sure if you're doing the carb friendly thing, do not get the maple bacon. It does have sugar in it, so this is 0 carbs. This is just a hickory smoked bacon. So got that all cut up there. I'll put that in there. I'm going to throw a lid on it. We're going to let that brown up and get good and crusty, and we'll bring it back when we get that done, but just let it render down there. So alright, hang on. Alright y'all, this bacon's pretty well crispied up here, so we're gonna get that out of here, out of this pan here. Put it over here in this bowl to drain off. Alright. Now we're not going to waste this bacon grease once we get all the bacon out of it. We're going to reserve it over here. Got one little piece left down in there. Alright. We're going to take a little bit of water, throw down in there. We're going to deglaze the bottom of this pan now. See all them goodies coming up there? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright. I'll turn our heat up a little bit. Medium high. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Let that water kind of evaporate a little bit. But we're also going to, once it gets to a boil, we're going to throw our spinach in there. See, she's already starting. So we're going to throw that spinach in there. We're just going to pack this sucker full because it will cook down. Alright, there we go. We got all the spinach in there. Now we're going to throw our lid on here. Let that start cooking up. Got our bacon here. Got our cream cheese back here softening. So I'm going to let this cook down and then we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all. That spinach is all cooked up nice. We're just going to let that water boil out of there. Reduce down, and then we'll throw a little bit of bacon grease back in there if we need to, but we'll definitely throw our cream cheese in there, get it softened, get it all mixed up, and add our bacon. We'll be delicious to go. So we'll let this cook down some more, and we'll bring you all back. All right, y'all. That water's just almost all gone. So what we're gonna do, the way I do it, bring that thing out to the edges. Take our cream cheese, put it in there. We're going to start melting that down. Getting the sticking to my spatula. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm going to get that melted down there, y'all. Get it all mixed together. Oh, hey, don't throw it out the pan. So, alright, let me get this all melted down and mixed around, and we'll bring you guys back. Alright, y'all, got that cream cheese mostly mixed in there, so gonna add our bacon back in there. Now you can just top it with the bacon, or you know, you can mix it in like I am, because I like mine mixed in because I feel the flavors mingle a little better. So, alright, I think we got her mixed in there pretty decent. And I did shut the heat off there, or while the camera was off. So, alright, there's our cream spinach. So, I'll grab a pork steak, put some of this on my plate. We'll have a little taste test. Alright, y'all, got our plate here, so let's do the little taste test action here. I'm going to get a little bit of the spinach and the pork chopped together. That's some good stuff there. 0 calories in all this. Amazing flavor. You know, that pork chop on the grill, that seasoning, it's awesome. That cream spinach with the bacon in it. You taste the bacon. That is so good. I love that. Of course, beverage of the day. I'm just going to have a big glass of water to go with it. So, anyways, appreciate y'all. And really hope you're sticking around for this journey, for my weight loss journey here. We got plenty of more good meals coming. That's the plan here, you know, good eating, lose weight. So, appreciate y'all, and if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, at the tractor pulls, or wherever we happen to be at the time we decide to film. So, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.